When you can see something, you know it's true. You know your products are labeled properly. You know your engines are up to spec. You know you're meeting your production quotas. But you can't be everywhere at once. You need another set of eyes to keep standards and efficiency high. You need Zebra's industrial machine vision and fixed scanning solutions. A complete solution portfolio managed from one cohesive platform that allows you to see more of what is happening on your production line or conveyor line. With a straightforward setup, upgradable devices built with Zebra quality, a best-in-class machine vision toolset, and the ability to capture up to 16 images in a single trigger event, each with its own unique setting for focus, exposure gain, illumination control, and more to eliminate errors and increase performance. So whether you're looking for an intuitive, flexible, automated machine vision solution for quality control, or want to add track and trace to your warehouse, the choice is clear. Zebra's industrial machine vision and fixed scanning solutions. Experience the difference with Zebra. Enable performance. Inspire potential.